We take an example to draw an ellipse by arc of circle method. We take a question. Two fixed points L and M are 100 mm apart. Trace the complete path of point P moving in the same plane as that of L and M in such a way that the sum of the distance from L and M is always same and is equal to 125 mm. I have shown a figure here which shows an ellipse with major axis AB and minor axis CD and center O. I have placed 2 points L and M which has been mentioned in question that are 100 mm apart. Distance between L and M is 100 mm apart. Trace the complete path of point P which is on the ellipse moving in the same plane as that of L and M, such a way that the sum of the distance from L and M is always equal to 125 mm, which says if we add PL and PM, that should be equal to 125 mm. PL plus PM is also equal to AB, that is major axis, and that will be 125 mm, which shows that the total distance which is mentioned 125 mm will also be equal to the major axis AB. So we get AB. So we can draw major axis AB, that is 125 mm, with center at 62.5 mm. Now we place 2 points L and M which are two focus points 100 mm apart, that is 50 mm to the right and 50 mm to the left. So we can measure from center O 50 mm both the sides. We get L and M. Then we draw minor axis which is perpendicular to major axis. We don't know the measure, so we will just draw a perpendicular line, then measure a distance from A to O, that is half of major axis. Place it on a focus point L or M and cut an arc on the vertical axis. This distance will give you minor axis. We can mark it as point C and D. Then join point C and D to get minor axis. Now mark 3 points randomly between L and O. Any number of points can be taken here at any distance. Measure a distance from A to 1. Place the compass needle on L and cut an arc above and below. Then place the compass needle on next focus point M, cut an arc above and below. Then use the second radius, that is distance B to 1. Place the compass needle on L and cut an arc both sides. Then place it on M and cut an arc, and we get 4 points. Then use the next set of radius, that is first a distance from A till 2. Place it on focus point L and cut an arc above and below. Then place it on next focus point M, cut 2 arcs. Then measure a distance from B to 2. Place it on focus point L and cut 2 arcs. Then place it on focus point M and cut 2 arcs. Then we get 4 new points. Now use the last set of radius, that is measure from A to 3, place the compass needle on L, then place the compass needle on M, and repeat the procedure. Then measure from B to 3, place it on L, we get 4 new points. Now connecting all the points together, we will complete an ellipse. Try to connect minimum 3 points at a time. Giving dimensions.